Hello guys, and welcome back to a Vintage Vlogmas day 10. I can't believe I've been doing this for 10 days. I can tell you this, my body feels like I've been doing it for 10 days. Not a ton of sleep happening over here. And with that being said, today's video is gonna be a little shorter just because I did not sleep very well last night. We're gonna start today's video off with everything that I've been avoiding for the past couple of days, which is opening up all of the packages that have come in the mail. Package number one. Oh yeah, okay. It's a vintage St. John's Bay piece, 100% cotton, that is designed like thermal would be, but it's not. And it's in this wonderful gray color that's very neutral. I think I might have ordered that for myself. Number two. Ooh, they wrapped this so pretty. How professional this looks. Off of Facebook Marketplace. What a great, look at that thank you card. I love that. Another Woolrich product, if you guys haven't figured that out yet. It's like the thing I'm searching for. In this wonderful chocolate brown color. Also with the buttons, long sleeve. Three. Okay, so this piece was really, really cool if it's what I'm thinking it is. Yes, okay. This is a vintage Levi's. I'm gonna show you the tag. Look at this tag. I think you guys are gonna get a kick out of the material and the collar. Vintage Levi's button-up. Corduroy, and look at this collar. Look how pointy that collar is. Does that not just scream late 60s, early 70s to you? Number four, really nice sweater. That is really beautiful. 100% wool. That is definitely a booth piece, and I'm sure that'll be snapped up really quickly. Box number five. Oh, okay. This was the piece I probably was most excited about because I love the colors and design on it. Oh, it's so small though. It's the sad part. It's so tiny. Look at it. It's an old Eddie Bauer piece and it is 100% lamb's wool as well. And it says large, but let's be honest, this is only fitting kids or very small people. But I love the colors and the design on it. Ah, I wish it was bigger. Now we have to go on a little bit of a field trip because I got a call back about that case. Now I've seen some of the comments. Yes, I thought it was a wallpaper table as well. Normally though, when you open those up, there's legs inside that come out. Also, when it opens up, it sits flat. The two sides act like a tabletop and it sits flat. That is not the case with this piece. But anyway, so he called today to let me know what price they were thinking. We're about to go pick up this case for $20. I was like, sold for sure. I'll be there soon. Just give me a second. Let me put on some pants. So we gotta go. We gotta go get this $20 case. I'm here to pick up that case.
Yep.
Is there any way I could ask him about a price on another piece?
Sure. It needs some work. Yeah, that goes over here. It's pretty easy to do.
Well, I love the design on the
Me too.
drawers. It was really beautiful.
Yeah. I don't get that much with designs on them.
I can do it if you're okay with
Oh
that.
yeah, and the mirror goes with it. So.
Wonderful. Great. I'll take that too. I can't wait. I gotta see if these legs fit on this hopefully soon to be table. I'm a little nervous that the mounting part of it I'm worried that they're too long and that this table is too narrow. Also, I'm worried that these legs are too small. Too long yet too small. That's what I'm kind of scared about. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh, just barely. Woo! Oh my god. That is a close, almost too long, but it looks like it's gonna work. So it was not purchased in vain. But guys, this is where I'm gonna stop the video for this evening. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to hit the like button and to subscribe. Also hit the bell notification, that way you can be notified for whenever I post a new video. And follow me at Amanda's Mercantile on Instagram, that way you can see anything that I do behind the scenes. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. So I just went into Walmart to pick up order from the pharmacy. I have heard a rumor that they carry Bluebell ice cream here at our local Walmart. I'm not a big ice cream person, but I love Bluebell ice cream. And so I went to check it out and there was no Bluebell ice cream. And so I Googled Bluebell ice cream near me, and the closest is all the way out in Charlottesville, which isn't awful. I guess I could make a special trip one of these days. It's like very specific of where they sell their ice cream, and it's not anywhere close by for me to just go grab it. I don't know why I'm telling you guys this. I just wanted to share my struggle for the day. I couldn't find Bluebell ice cream. It's so dumb.